If you are looking for the best scroll saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Ms2001 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. The Ms 16-inch variable speed scroll saw features a table that tilts up to 45 degrees to the left and offers variable speed cutting, all at an affordable price point. The Ms comes with a 16-inch throat capacity, and a bright LED light to illuminate the cutting area. An air blower and a dust collection port. It accepts pinhead blades, comes with onboard blade storage, and includes a thin hold-down foot. It features a thumbscrew adapter to change blades quickly. Number 2. DEWALT DW788 Scroll Saw. The DEWALT DW788 is the whole package when it comes to scrolling saws. This model is relatively quiet, easy to operate, and versatile enough to meet the needs of beginner and more discerning woodworkers alike. The DEWALT DW788 has a throat depth of 20 inches that allows cuts up to 2 inches deep or as shallow as 3/4 of an inch. It accepts only pin-less blades, which may be a bit of a learning curve, but allows for easy, tool-free blade changes with less frustration. It has a double parallel link arm that helps reduce vibrations. Number 3. Dremel Ms2001 Moto Saw Variable Speed Compact Scroll Saw Kit. The Dremel Moto Saw just might be your next scroll saw. Creating puzzles, wall art, and ornaments out of different materials is easy thanks to its compact design and sharp cutting blades. This tool is unique thanks to its compact C-arm design. Clamp it on a table to use it as a regular scroll saw. You can also use it as a coping saw. Plus, it already comes with a side cutting blade for plexiglass, PVC, and wood. There's also a wood and plastic blade, a fine wood blade, and a metal blade. Number 4. Delta Power Tools 4069420N. Variable Speed Scroll Saw. This 20-inch scroll saw from Delta Power Tools has more than enough room and oomph to handle projects of all shapes and sizes. It comes with a 20-inch throat that allows for cutting wider pieces of wood than a 16-inch or 18-inch throat. The table tilts between 0 and 45 degrees to allow for beveling. The upper arm can be lifted and locked into position when making blade changes or adjusting blade angle. You'll appreciate speeds up to 1,750 strokes per minute to cut through even tough woods like walnut, and the dust hose efficiently keeps up with sawdust as you work. Number 5. Shop Fox W1713 16-inch Variable Speed Scroll Saw. Although it is not as popular as other brands, Shopfox obviously hit the jackpot with this scroll saw. The design is neat and ergonomic, while the body boasts solid construction and a stable base. Powered by a strong 1/8 HP, 1.3 amp motor with a no-load speed of 550 to 1700 SPM and a throat depth of 16 inches, the Shopfox can cut easily through 2-inch thick pine, maple or oak. With just a turn of the easy-to-access knob, the table tilts 45 degrees table to the left, so you can create perfect bevels. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.